Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. And nobody's gotta worry about nothing. Don't go hitting that panic button. It ain't worth spilling your dream.
This is my first time actually physically talking to you guys for today. Here's my Snapchat story for today because I did not film nothing on my phone. I just did Snapchat stuff. So here it is.
Was making that hissing sound.
Oh, I thought his feet were just dragging on the ground.
No, it's trying to.
This way, if y'all want to walk around this way.
I don't know.
Why you so defensive? We ain't gonna get your ass. You crazy turkey. And he don't know that.
Careful.
It's
They
okay.
didn't have any signs that say.
That's why it's called a petting zoo. You get to pet the animals. That's what he wanted. He wanted. He's saying, take pictures of me.
Be careful.
Watch it. I don't think he takes too slightly this.
I can still pet him.
No, I'd back away.
I'd be careful.
Yeah.
I just wouldn't pet him on the on the head, maybe on the back, if you want to pet him. There you go. Alex, there is a llama. Oh, there is a llama? Yeah, over there.
That thing jumps over, we're all gonna be in trouble. I'm running.
He's been in that cage all these years, he's never jumped over it before.
What are we doing now? We're gonna pick strawberries or what?
He's just like standing there. Like he's all. Do we want to see the llama?
It's my turn. Get out my turn. Yeah.
Do we want? Oh, really?
Like he just made the cutoff age or something like
He's
that.
coming this.
The Austin. I asked her, and that's what she was like. It's first team from Monday, Tuesday.
Ah, what was that? Oh look, they're all eating.
The camera work got ready. The camera work too.
Get the food. Eat. Chicken fight. How old is he?
Oh, they eat
He must
strawberries.
be like 20 or 20 something. At least
Oh, really?
like he just made the cutoff age or something like
He's
that.
coming this.
The Austin. I asked her. She was like, it's first turn from Monday, Tuesday.
What was that?
Oh, look, they're all eating.
The camera went got ready. The camera went through.
Get the food. Oh.
Really upset lately. He asked for one that was kind of really inappropriate.
Hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, and yesterday, the clipping, Haley had her back surgery today. Everything went well in surgery and all that stuff. And tomorrow we're to go visit her. So tomorrow me and Mom go to Raleigh and see her. And also about 9, I don't know if I said this yesterday or not, but they wanted her up and walking tonight. And about 9:30 they tried to get her up and her blood pressure just like dropped. So I don't know. But yeah. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me, comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and thank you for watching this. You're strong, you got this.